Welcome to this tutorial on editing your WordPress comment field. In this guide, you will learn how to manage and customize the way comments are moderated on your WordPress site. The process is straightforward and designed to take only a few minutes of your time. So let us begin. Start by navigating to the main WordPress website using your internet browser. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on login will prompt you to enter your credentials, so this is the first step to accessing your WordPress dashboard. After you have clicked on the login area, you will notice the option to continue with Google. Use this secure and convenient method by selecting the Continue with Google button. When you choose this option, you will be prompted to choose an account that will be linked to your WordPress access. Select your preferred account and proceed. This method streamlines the authentication process, making it both faster and easier to sign in. Once you are successfully logged in, it is time to navigate to the comments section of your WordPress site. Although the tutorial includes a clickable link in the original source, simply locate the comments area within your admin dashboard. By accessing this section, you will be able to view and manage all the comments left on your posts. Here you can see every comment that has been submitted by your visitors in a single organized list. In the comments section, you will notice a variety of options available to help you moderate the conversation on your site. These actions include approving, replying, editing, viewing a history of comments, marking them as spam, moving them to trash, and even liking them. Each of these options gives you the ability to interact with your audience and control the quality of the discussion. Now that you are familiar with the basic comment management options, it is time to focus on moderating comments through your site settings. Begin by clicking on Settings, which will provide you with a range of configuration tools for your WordPress dashboard. In this area, navigate to the Discussion settings. This section deals specifically with parameters that affect how comments are handled on your website. Within the discussion settings, you will find a feature labeled Comment Moderation. In this feature, you can type in the words or phrases that you wish to use as a filter to hold comments for moderation. This is particularly useful if you are looking to prevent common spam or offensive language from appearing on your site. By listing these keywords, you ensure that any comment containing them will be held back until you have a chance to review it. Additionally, find the Disallowed Comment Keys section in the discussion settings. Here you can add other words or terms that you do not want to appear in any comment, effectively blocking them outright. This dual approach of moderation and disallowance helps you maintain a clean and respectful discussion environment on your site. After you have entered all your desired words into both the comment moderation and disallowed comment keys sections, complete the process by clicking on the Save Changes button located at the bottom of the page. Saving your settings guarantees that your custom filters and rules will be applied to all future comments submitted on your website. This concludes the tutorial on editing the WordPress comment field and moderating comments. Following these steps, you can effectively manage the comments section of your website, ensuring that the interactions on your site remain constructive and engaging. Enjoy the enhanced control over your online conversation, and thank you for following along.